In today's class, we are going to discuss about what do you know about color models in computer graphics and what are the different type of color models available in the CG. So that and all we are going to discuss in our today's class. First, see what do you call as color models. So what is the purpose of the color models? Why we are implementing the color models in CG, that is computer graphics. So that is what we are going to discuss first. Then we are going to see this all the definitions over here. So first you see, what do you know about color models? Color model means what? Color model, why we are implementing the color models? Color model is nothing but it's a 3D color coordinate system in order to produce all the range of color through the primary color set. So that is what the main goal of the color model. So there are million of colors used in the computer graphics. We are having only 2 or more colors. No, we are having more number of colors. Actually, we have taken a real-time example for paintings, drawings. We are using different colors, and for giving the different changing the font's color. For that also, we are having different colors over the options. So that is what we are going to say. There are million of colors used in the computer graphics. So the light displays what means the light displays the color only. A color model is nothing but it's a hierarchical system in which we can create every color by using RGB. Okay, that is red, green, and blue, and the CMY, and also the K, that is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. By using this RGB and CMY models only, we are using the we are creating every color in the computer graphics. Let me see the definition. A color model is an abstract mathematical model that describes how colors can be represented as a set of numbers. Example, a triple in RGB, that is combination of RGB, or a quad in CMYK, that is quad is nothing but quadratic, 4 different combinations. And color models can usually be described using a coordinate system. That is what I have mentioned in the goal of the color models. And each color in this system is represented by single point in the coordinate space. Next one. So there are 2 different type of color models available in the computer graphics. So basically I told that RGB and CMY, these are the basic 2 color models we are implementing in the computer graphics. So RGB comes under the category of additive and CMYK comes under the category of subtractive. Let me see this one by one. So what you called as in that additive color model is nothing but it is also named as red, that is the RGB model. There is nothing but RGB stands for red, green, and then blue. This additive color model, it is going to use as a mixture of light to display what means to display the different light of colors. Okay, to display the colors. Then these we consider the prescribed color depends on the transmission of light. It is used in the digital media. For example, we are saying that digital media means what? Computer, monitor, television, and most of the items. So these are all a simple example for the RGB color models. Next one, subtractive. Another category is what? Subtractive color model. Like RGB, this subtractive color model also, it is also named as CMYK color model. That is CMYK stands for what? Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So this subtractive model uses a reflection of light to display the colors, whereas there we are using the prescribed color models, but here we are using the reflection of light. Okay, so that is what the main difference between the additive color model and subtractive color models. This CMYK color model is used as a printing inks So you know that printing inks is what? For example, we are saying that any flux designing, whatever may be, that comes under the separative color model only. For example, paints, pigments, and color filter. These are the simple examples of separative color model. So this is a simple diagram of color models in computer graphics. I already mentioned that RGB and CMYK. So RGB color model means what? There is red, green, blue. Here I am giving this red, green, and then blue. Next one is what? CMYK. It is cyan, magenta, yellow, and then black. So while I am combining this, that is RGB color model, I will get what means I will get the white space over in the after the prescribed color display of light. Whereas while I am using the CMYK, I am getting the black color. Okay, this is what the main difference between the RGB and the CMY. Let us see this one by one. First one, we are using the RGB, we are getting the white color, and cyan magenta yellow, we are getting the black color over here. So this is the main difference between the RGB and CMY. Okay, here you see the main primary colors are RGB, that is red, green, and blue. Whereas here you see magenta yellow, cyan, this comes under the category of black. Okay, whereas red comes here, green here, blue here. So see this diagram. What this RGB color model? It's nothing but going to give the primary colors of light that are added together in a various ways to represent a broad array of colors. The named model of comes under where means from the initials of the three additive primary colors, that is red, green, and then blue. So here we are getting the what means the main purpose of this RGB color model is for sensing, representation, and display of images in electronic system, such as as we have discussed in the example, television and computer monitors. Though it has also been used in the conventional photography, such as Photoshop, also we are using this RGB color model. But before the electronic age, that RGB color model has already had a solid theory behind it. So that is what we are going to for the RGB color model in computer graphics. So this is our main motive for RGB color model. This is a diagram, block diagram of the RGB color model. Here you see the primary colors as red, green, and then blue. Why I am saying the primary color means because by using this RGB only, we are getting the different codes, that is vertices. We are giving the vertices for R, we are giving the 1, 0, 0, and I am given green as 0, 1, 0. That is red is 1 and green is 1 and blue is 1. Okay, that is like a X, Y, Z axis. Next one, as we know that the same like a RGB color model, the CMY color model is also a device different color model. There is a different devices that will detect or it will reproduce a given RGB value differently. See this, why I'm saying means because using here also we are using the RGB, red, green, and then blue, but the main primary colors are magenta, cyan, yellow. So by same one, but instead of that RGB, we are going with the CMY color models. So these are the primary differences between the CMY and the RGB. And also there may be another one difference here. So this CMY, that is a cyan, magenta, yellow, it refers to the 4 link packages. We know that is a cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. That is key is nothing but black. Key is the black color. So Y means it is used for describing the printing process itself. Okay, whereas in RGB it will not do that, but in here we are going to printing the colors by itself. This color, that is color printing, here we are using a link of 4 colors. Here this cyan, yellow, magenta, and then black. When CMY we call it as a secondary or combined at full strength, the resulting primary mixtures are red, here red, green, and then blue. Mixing all 3 colors given an imperfect black, okay, or a perfect gray color. This is what this CMY will do. It will work by partially or entirely masking colors or a lighter, usually white or background. The ink reduces. What the ink will do means, here I already mentioned that CMY color model is an example of a printing ink. The ink reduces the light that would also be called as an, otherwise it be considered as a reflector. Such a model is we called as an what? Subtractive color models, like subtracts the colors red, green, and then blue. That's why we call it as an subtractive color model. We are going to subtract the colors red, green, and blue from white light. Okay, so here I am giving that white more. That is what given here. So these are the basic about the different color models. The rest of the we will see it in the next class.